In which states is Kraken available? Have you ever wondered where you can trade cryptocurrencies on the Kraken exchange? It's a popular platform with a lot to offer, but not all states in the United States can access it. In this video, we'll dive into the details and figure out which states can and cannot use Kraken. Context: the cryptocurrency market is booming, and Kraken is one of the major players. It's a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. But, like many other financial services, Kraken isn't available in all parts of the country due to regulatory restrictions. Main content: Understanding Kraken. What is Kraken? A brief overview of the platform and its features. Why is it popular? Discuss the reasons why people choose Kraken. Regulatory landscape. The role of state regulators in cryptocurrency markets. How regulations can impact the availability of crypto exchanges. Kraken's availability. States where Kraken is available, a detailed list of states where you can use the platform. Reasons for availability, explain why Kraken is allowed in these states. States where Kraken is not available. A list of states where Kraken is restricted. The reasons behind these restrictions, e.g., regulatory concerns, legal issues. Factors affecting availability. Market maturity, how the maturity of the cryptocurrency market in a state can influence availability. Legal framework, the specific laws and regulations that govern cryptocurrency trading in each state. Exchanges risk assessment, how Kraken assesses the risks associated with operating in different jurisdictions. Tips for users in restricted states. Exploring alternative exchanges, suggesting other reputable platforms that might be available. Staying informed about regulatory changes, advising users to keep track of developments in their state's regulations. Conclusion. Recap the key points discussed in the video. Emphasize the importance of understanding regulatory restrictions before choosing a crypto exchange. Encourage viewers to do further research or consult with financial advisors. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.